Hello everyone, I'm Sohrab Askarli and I'm here in Qafqaz University Laboratory to do my project for general chemistry. And my project's name is Reducing Flammability of Paint, and actually the purpose of this experiment and this object is to apply this reducing to household paint. As you know, it's really commonly faced that houses in general in current time are burned, that the paints are not quality for the flames. And I think to use sodium hydrocarbonate is really better style to reduce the flammability. And let me show you the materials that I will use in this experiment. Here you see sodium hydrocarbonate, and I will use polystyrene balls to put our sodium bicarbonate, and also polystyrene cups, and household paint, 2 paint brushes, and spoon, lighter, and of course 5 wood sticks. And according to procedure, we will use 4 amounts of sodium bicarbonate. This one is 4 gram, this 8 gram, 10 gram, and at least 20 grams I will use. So actually for 1 cup we'll use to use simple paint. I will not put anything in matter to do it. I will just paint with this, and after that I will put this certain amount of carbonates, and I will record the results. In this step, I will put my matters to the household paint, and as I mentioned before, this is simple paint, and step by step I will put my matters to natrium hydrocarbonate to the paint brushes. So firstly, I will use 4 grams of sodium hydrocarbonate to the household paint. Let me take it off, and here I decide to put it completely. Let me mention that I will use for each cup only 50 milliliters paint, and I will just change the amount of sodium carbonate, and I will observe how the amount of sodium carbonate affects to the flammability. Okay, it's ready, and I will mix it. Let me put 8 grams of matters, and I'm gonna use that tactic again. Complete, I will put down. I hope I didn't use any amount of it, but okay, it's also ready. And now also we label our amount of project. Here it is, as you see, 4 gram. This is 8 gram. Now can continue. Now I'm use 10 grams of substance. Okay, this is also ready. Now I label it. Oh, sorry. 10 grams. And last one is 20 grams of substance. let me mention that it's for left safe. It's useful to use safety coat and safety gloves. And as you see, they are ready. And now we can mix our mixtures. After the well mixing of the mixtures, in this step I will just paint the wood sticks before the burning. Okay, I will just use one paintbrush for just paint simple paint, and another paintbrush to use the mixtures. Okay, firstly let me use the simple paint, and I choose one stick, and approximately from here I just paint, and it's actually reliable to put it from here and burn it from here. It's also safe. And let me use the paintbrush. Here you see. We will lift out our wood sticks approximately 2 days to dry completely, and then we will burn it. Okay. I think this is as you see, this is ready, and I will put it to here to not contact to the surface. Okay, and now okay, after the paint and label this wood, I'm continuing with the mixtures, which consists of 4 grams of sodium hydrocarbonate. Okay, as I mentioned, I will use another paintbrush to not mix the mixtures. Oh, and let me use it. Okay, this is also ready, and I am also labeled as a 4 gram, and put it next to the sample. Okay, I am now going on with 8 gram of sample and another wood stick. After to paint all wood sticks completely, we left out the sticks for dry completely approximately 2 days, and let's meet after 2 days later. Thanks. After the wood dried out completely, I will burn in this step. And let me show my materials that I will watch in the step. And here you see the wood sticks that I painted, and lighter. Actually, I will use this one, lighter, and stopwatch to record the time that how each wood stick will catch the fire. Okay, let me choose the first simple normal paint. Now I am firing the wood with simple paint, and I will record the catching fire time. Okay, let me to fire it. Approximately within 5 seconds it catches the fire and a little bit smoke released with the simple paint. And now I'm recording the result for normal paint. It's 5 seconds. I erase it. Okay. And let's go on with the 4 gram sodium bicarbonate, hydrocarbonate. Okay. Oh, it's okay. Now I am firing the wood stick with 4 gram sodium bicarbonate and paint mixtures. It's too hard to catch the fire, and now within 14 seconds it caught the fire and also smoke released, as you see. 4 gram, the wood stick burnt and caught the fire within 14 and 94 seconds. Okay, I'm going on with 8 gram. And I'm continuing with 8 gram, and let's begin.
Yandı yeri.
Yes. As you see, in 19-24 seconds it caught the fire, and as you see, up to this step, when we increase the amount of sodium hydrocarbonate, also the caught fire time also increasing. And we have 10 gram sodium carbonates, wood stick and mixture. Okay, let's reset and start. Okay, right. Within 25 seconds, and it caught fire within 25 seconds, and I note with 10 gram substance. It caught fire within 25 seconds. Okay. Here I have the last one, and let's see how will affect most amount of substance will affect to this wood stick catching fire. Okay, let's do it. Okay, let's do this. Last wood stick is really hard to catch fire, as you see. It's really hard.
Ne ehtiyatlı.
Yes, it caught fire within 45 and 25 seconds. Okay. I wanna mention one thing. Because my woods are not so thin, I didn't burn them completely, and power of this lighter actually cannot respond for this burning. But as you see from the notes, actually the project's purpose is okay, because when we put the substance as an extra substance, sodium hydrocarbonate, the catching fire time also increasing, and as you know, it's really useful and safe. I completed my project named Reducing Flammability of Paint, and it was Mr. Askarli. Thanks for all watching.